Choosing your next employee shouldn't be risky business. When you need to know more about your candidates, JDP has your back. JDP provides top-notch, 100% US-based customer service. And as a premier partner with iCIMS, JDP offers both Prime and Standard connectors. The iCIMS JDP integration provides a seamless process to initiate and monitor your background checks directly with iCIMS. In addition to the iCIMS user-friendly workflows, JDP's processes provide a candidate-friendly experience. With a mobile-friendly platform, candidates are able to complete the questionnaire regardless if they're using an iOS or Android-based device. The iCIMS JDP Prime Connector reduces your time to hire by expediting the background check and driving efficiencies, allowing all work to be completed within iCIMS.